This morning, a state court granted permission to a Dallas woman to receive an abortion, marking one of the only abortions explicitly granted under the state's law, narrow medical exceptions since that ban took effect.
But Attorney General Ken Paxton is already threatening her doctor with felony prosecution if they proceed. Our Ryan Chandler reports.
Kate Cox, pregnant with her third baby, never imagined seeking an abortion in her journey to build a big family.
Every day of this ordeal has been agonizing for her.
Cox's daughter was diagnosed with full trisomy 18, a fatal fetal abnormality. It could also put Cox at risk and prevent her from having any future children.
This case proves that abortion is essential, life-saving health care.
A Travis County judge agreed, but Attorney General Ken Paxton alerted Cox's hospital and doctor they could face prison time regardless of that ruling, writing, "The order will not insulate you from civil and criminal liability, including first-degree felony prosecutions." Supporters of the ban argue the birth should occur regardless of the diagnosis.
It would be wrong. It would be, hubris. It would be prideful for us to assume we have the authority ethically and legally to take a child's life because we are not sure about a disability.
The order today applies only to Miss Cox's current pregnancy, but her lawyers hope this precedent will lead to favorable judgments in other challenges. They're awaiting judgment in a separate challenge led by 20 women, many of whom faced similar medical emergencies, but say the law prevented their doctors from acting until they nearly died. That case is now up to the Texas Supreme Court. We asked the Chief Justice about that today. He hopes Texans trust that the court respects the rule of law.
It's not a political decision for them. It's a legal decision. And they have to decide cases all the time that are difficult. We just want it to be, we want to not ever do anything that makes it look like somebody didn't get a fair shake.
That was Ryan Chandler reporting. Lester Holt will have more on this story and what it means for other cases and other states on NBC Nightly News.
Going in depth, Edwards syndrome is the genetic condition in the Cox case. It's also known as trisomy 18. According to the Cleveland Clinic, it is a severe genetic condition that affects how the child's body and brain develops. The baby can have low birth weight, abnormalities in their heart and lungs, club feet, and overlapping fingers. Edwards syndrome happens in about 1 in every 5,000 to 6,000 births. 95% of fetuses diagnosed with this syndrome don't make it to full term, and many end in miscarriages or stillbirths. And only 10% of babies born with this make it through that first year.